Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. My name is John Stevenson, and I appreciate you tuning in today. We're going to be talking about the best type of annuities for predictable retirement income. So if you're retired or you're getting close to it, then you're going to love this because annuities are paying a lot right now. And if you're looking for the best ones, for the most predictable income that never changes, then I'm going to show you everything that's available. Okay. And if you want to check out my annuity calculators, go to my website at johnstevenson.com and you can plug in your information, and whether it's a single or a joint payout, it's going to show you exactly what the payouts are and what the highest ones are. So, and some of them pay me high commissions, some of them pay me low commissions. But in my opinion, you have to see everything that's available to you instead of trying to be sold something by someone who earns a high commission for maybe a product that's not the best for you. So I believe in transparency. And so, yeah, go ahead and check it out. And if you want to book a call or you're thinking about purchasing an annuity, then go right ahead. There is a link there as well. There's also a link below this video, and we'll get on a Zoom call and I can answer all your questions. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you exactly what those payouts are right now, just to give you some examples of what these look like right now. Okay, so $300,000, a married couple, North Carolina, and let's say they're taking income at age 62. So I'm just kind of throwing an arbitrary number out here just to kind of get your juices flowing here. So if we're looking at $300,000 and joint income, okay, it's $23,431. And you can see ClearSpring is the highest payout for that for 300 grand. Okay, followed by Corebridge, Delaware, F&G, Prudential, and tons of other companies. But if you're looking for the highest payout, looks like ClearSpring is the company to go with. So if we look at that and say, and that can be different for you, by the way, these change all the time. These companies fight for the top spot all the time. Okay, so which is good. We love the competition. But it is different state to state typically, but most of the time it is very, very similar. Okay, so let's take a look at this at age 65. Okay, again, this is a married couple of age 60. They're both 60 and they're both taking income as a joint couple at age 65. Again, it's going to be different for you because your spouse might be younger, older. You might be putting money in at age 55 and taking it at 65. Longer deferral periods count. Like all of these matter when you're looking for the best payout. So, but still, at 65, nationwide, 31,000. That's awesome. All right, let's take a look at 67. And again, this is a joint payout. Okay, so both spouses are 67. All right, 36,000. So you're getting $3,000 a month. Let's look at 70. Wow, 48 grand. 48 grand a year from 300,000. It's not bad. Okay. What if you're single? Like, let's say you are single, or maybe you got divorced and you want lifetime income for yourself. Well, you get like $4,000 more in income just because they're on the hook for one life instead of two. Pretty good. All right. Payouts are awesome. And you look at this and say, wow, that is a huge amount of income. And it's just because you let it sit there for 10 years. Okay. So, but still, 51 grand, look at that. It's like $1.3 million. Okay. From only $300,000. And if you live longer than age 95, then you're going to get it. You get it till 110 if you live that long. Okay. These are lifetime payouts. The contract value, the account value itself does not last. So just keep that in mind. When you're looking for an income product that gives you highest income, the account value never lasts. Okay. I don't care what it is. It could be an income rider, which we're looking at right now. They pay the highest. Or you could be looking at a SPIA or a DIA. It's still the same. You're going to use up all the money at some point, but of course the income is guaranteed for life. All right. And so you'll see here, there is a death benefit. So if you die early, it does go to your beneficiaries. It does not go to the insurance company. Okay. So, all right. So let's go back here and say, all right, well, what if I'm 65? Sorry, I'm 60. I want to take income at 65 and it's a joint. Okay. But let's say I want to put $650,000 in there. Well, everything's proportionate. If it's 300 grand and you do 600 grand, it's going to double. Okay. Very simple. So this did a little bit more than that just because it was 650, but nationwide, still the highest. Okay. But $67,000. So huge. Okay. This is joint income for the rest of your life and your spouse's life. So you die and that account balance is zero. There is no death benefit. There is no lump sum, but the income continues. That's what's so valuable for it. So yeah, even with growth of the index, you can see right here, it's going to give you some of the S&P 500, but not very much. By the time you're in your mid 70s, it's gone. So let's say you die, then your spouse is still living and they continue to take that income for the rest of their life as well. That's why you buy it. Okay. So anyways, let's take a look. Let's just look real quick at the MYGAs. So MYGAs are like CDs. They're the Annuities World version of a CD, and they pay higher rates. So if you are thinking, hey, what are the top ones? Go to my website. Again, you will see them there. But let's just take a look at them right now. You can see the top 3 in each category, each term. I see 5. So the 5, 7, and 10, I'll just tell you right now, they pay the most typically. So let me load some more here. So in every state's different. So you can take a look at your state and see what they're paying. Also, some states will offer you longer than 10 years, which this one isn't, but some of them will. Okay. But 10 years, if you were going to go like the longest one, then American National is it. So let me just, yeah, that's really good. So 5.45. Let me go back up here. Oh, this is A- or higher. Okay. So any rating now will show us anything, whatever they're rated. Okay. So A rated or below. So 10 years, Revol one's paying 6%. So look at that. Let's say we want to take interest only. So we'll take the 5.9%. Okay. A lot of people are doing that. You're going to take out, again, we put in, how much we put in? 650. All right. So 650, it's earning you $38,350 in the first year. And if you just take it out each year, then you can just take out the interest and get your 650 back at the end. Otherwise, you let it compound. It's going to give you 500 grand in guaranteed earnings, and you're going to have 1.153 to take out at the end of that term. So good place to park your money. Not a great place for lifetime income, because obviously you're not going to get lifetime income forever. So, but it is a great place to park your money before you decide to do something else with it later on. So anyways, I just kind of want to show you what the best payouts are so you can kind of, do your own research and decide for yourself. But if you're looking for the highest paying annuity for yourself, then please book a call. I'd love to help. Okay, there's a link below this video. Goes to my calendar. We'll get on a Zoom call. And you can also do it on my website as well. There's a book a call link on my website there as well. So be happy to help. I won't try to strong arm you into anything. I'd love to sell you an annuity. If that's what you're looking for, I'd love to help you. If you're looking for someone who's transparent, who is a true fiduciary, who shows you everything, I'd love to help. So anyways, hope this helps. If you got questions, make sure you comment below. I'd be happy to answer. And if you like the video, please click the like button. Make sure you subscribe, share, so you can get all my awesome content. And I really appreciate you watching. And we'll see you next time.